Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight, ita-try ko yung Jinky and Nipil Caviar Mask. So face mask ito na may white caviar. So for natural brightening ng skin at saka pampa-relax. Okay, so before anything else, we need to wash our face and our face clean with just soap. And so ayan guys, katatapos ko lang maghilamos at saka magtoner. Okay, so now we will try to put on our mask. So, white caviar natural brightening mask with caviar extract 200,000 ppm. So, Nipil ito siya na brand made from Korea. So, ito na siya guys. So, dahan-dahan lang kasi baka So, lagay natin ito guys for 20 minutes. So, massage lang natin for 20 minutes. Malamig siya sa face. So, let's make sure na ma-absorb talaga niya yung cream na nandito sa mask. So, wala po siyang amoy. Okay lang siya. So, antay lang tayo ng 20 minutes. Actually, pwede siya 10 minutes minimum. guys, so if ever may napapansin kayo na may mga tumutulo dito, so spread nyo lang po sa neck nyo, just sa mga kamay, pwede rin kasi nakaka-smooth yun ito ng skin. So yun lang. Okay, so pagtanggal ng mask, so we'll do it like this upward. Ayan siya. So yung mga naiiwan na parang cream, ipat-pat lang yan sa face nyo. Iabot sa neck. So, no need na siyang banlawan. Pwede na ito i-stay overnight. So, yun guys, after ko tinanggal yung mask, napapansin ko na sobrang smooth niya at saka makinis and ayun, smooth. Okay, so we'll leave this overnight. So, bukas ko na siya banlawan para mas maganda yung effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so ready na ang coffee ko at saka muffins. So, duty mode na ako. Okay, so for my review sa cookies and cream muffin, masarap siya. Although may cookies, so hindi siya masyadong matamis, tama lang talaga. At yung texture, smooth lang siya, okay. Try natin yung cookies and cream muffin ng Starbucks. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and please comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.